This $10 million seaside mansion is the ultimate tropical getaway, with nearly 2 acres of the most prime real estate in Cairns and a $20,000 a week rental price. This home completely trumps anything else in North Queensland. Located on Trinity Beach, just 15 minutes from the international airport, the privacy and exclusivity of this residence is in a league of its own. The 6-bedroom, fully ensuited home sits on over 7,500 square metres of land and nearly 1,000 square metres of internal living space. Regarded by many Australians as the most exclusive private beachfront estate, Trinity Beach Palace accommodates every luxury you would expect from a home of this calibre. Take a dip in the climate-controlled pool, relax in the cabana, sunbathe on the beach deck, or just enjoy a cocktail in any of the numerous interior or exterior spaces within this amazing seaside mansion. The property has been styled with the use of exotic fabrics, textures, and many built-in features to provide its unique African chic interior. Stunning bathrooms with imported European tiles, a massive gourmet kitchen, lounge, dining, library, gym, sauna, and family entertaining areas are all linked by large, polished marble floors. Although the real attraction of the residence is the land itself. Sitting quietly at the end of the main esplanade, the manicured gardens enclose the property to be fully isolated from the rest of the world, with dense foliage surrounding the residence on 3 sides and the expansive ocean on the other. Growing up in Brisbane, I always assumed I had a pretty good understanding of Queensland. I'd explored most of southeast Queensland and even ventured out west to the Darling Downs and even a quick trip up to Mackay. But then I realised just how big Queensland really is, and all the amazing places I was missing out on. As I've started to learn more about Australia, it has made me even more excited to explore far north Queensland and the beautiful things it has to offer.